Caroline Carruthers with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
Well, good morning to you. We sure have a lot to cover this morning, so let's get right into it. We'll start you out with the big picture of things here. We've been tracking this system over the past couple of days. It brought us lots of showers and thunderstorms yesterday afternoon and into the evening hours, and it stretches all the way from the Great Lakes through the Tennessee Valley and into the southeast as well, through Mississippi, Louisiana, and into Texas. And out ahead of this front, we saw increased moisture yesterday, which is what brought us those showers and storms. Today, the actual front itself is going to move through, and that is going to bring us more rain and storms as well. So we'll talk about that, give you kind of the timeline. Let's start with what we're seeing right now, because it's an early start for some rain this morning. We're seeing a heavy band of rain that stretches from Leakesville all the way up to Chatham and Washington County there. Some lightning thunder mixed in there. A couple of spotty storms near and south of I-10 in Jackson County, Mississippi, as well as Mobile, Baldwin counties. And we've got some rain heading into Pensacola Beach and over towards Fort Walton Beach as well, Eglin Air Force Base, as well south of Crestview, south of I-10, heading towards Destin and Niceville and Fort Walton Beach this morning. So getting an early start. Pack that umbrella, because odds are you're going to need it at some point today. It's not going to be a washout today, but you are going to see a lot more showers and thunderstorms than we have been seeing. So timing it out for you here. Yes, a couple of those spotty storms expected this morning. That rain chance is going to increase as the day goes on. So as we move into 8:30, we'll start to see more showers and thunderstorms start to develop. This is 11:30, not in exactly these spots, but it gives you a good idea of one, the coverage increasing, and two, starting to see those storms spread inland as we make our way throughout the day today. Now, as we get into 4:30, 5 o'clock, another round of showers and thunderstorms moves in. See, it's going to kind of come in waves as this front treks through the News 5 neighborhood. And by the time we get to the overnight hours, yes, we'll see more showers and thunderstorms, especially if you are south and east of I-65. It'll kind of shift that direction as the front treks through overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. The front's going to take its time moving through, so as it does so, we're going to see some lingering showers even heading into tomorrow morning. So notice the timestamp, Friday, tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. Still seeing some showers around. By the time we get to mid-morning, though, the front will pass, drier air will start to fill in, and we are expecting that rain to move out as well. As far as severe weather, the threat is very low today. We're actually not under severe weather risk anymore. The Storm Prediction Center did drop that, so we are looking at, yes, a strong storm or two with some gusty winds, frequent lightning, heavy downpours, but overall severe weather risk is low. High coverage of rain today, about a 70% chance. You need that green and Phillips umbrella. And as far as rainfall totals, not overly impressive, but definitely some beneficial rain that we do need with our drought conditions that we have in place. As far as temperatures go, with the cloud cover as well as the rain chance, we're going to see temperatures likely only in the mid-80s moving into this afternoon. In the tropics, we certainly have a lot of areas we're tracking. Gabrielle is going to continue towards Europe, so away from the United States. We also have Umberto as well as another tropical wave that we're tracking. Looking at Umberto, max winds at 45 miles per hour here. It is heading to the northwest at around 10 miles per hour. It is expected to become a hurricane later on this weekend, possibly a major hurricane early next week. This is going to stay away from the Gulf, but East Coast is going to have to keep an eye on this one. Also, going to have to keep an eye on this. A tropical wave just near the Caribbean islands has a high chance of development as well, really close to Umberto. So the East Coast is going to be dealing with a couple of systems they're going to have to watch closely. The Gulf is clear for now. Over the next 7 days, high rain chances today, lingering into tomorrow, and then look at that. Sunshine for the weekend, lower temperatures, lower humidity, dry skies, what we like to see.
All right, stay with us now. Coming up next,